Hello and welcome to Pi Excellence Tutorials. Here at Pi Excellence Tutorials, we solve questions and we also do tutoring, university students and also high school students in physics, mathematics, and also chemistry. So if you're looking for a tutor to tutor you, you can get in touch with me on the contact details that I've dropped in the description box. Yeah. So in this video, we are going to solve the rotational motion. There's a series of rotational motion or circular motion questions that we are solving here on this channel. So you have also to make sure that you stay glued to the channel as we revise with you the rotational motion questions. Okay, so this question says the tab of a washer goes into its spin cycle, starting from rest and gaining angular speed steadily for 8 seconds, at which time it is running at 5 rev per second. Okay, that's revolution per second. At this point, the person doing the laundry opens the lid and a safety switch turns off the washer. The tab smoothly slows to rest in 12 seconds. Through how many revolutions does the tab turn while it is in motion? Wow. So there are two ways that you can find this. Oh, there might be many other ways, but there is one where we know that angular displacement is going to be the average of angular speed, okay, times time. So that is, let me say, we have angular displacement, that is half t or final. Okay, so that is the average. You know, you add and you divide by 2. So when we find the average of the speed, angular speed, and we multiply by time, we are able to get the angular displacement. Okay, or the revolutions. Yes. The other way is using this formula. You have to get the same. So here you'll be required to find the angular acceleration. Okay, so we have in the first case we have this washer, okay, spinning from rest, starting from rest, and gains the angular speed. So the angle is 5 rev per second in 8 seconds. Okay, so you can find the angular displacement time, and then we multiply by 8 seconds, and also the initial is 0 plus the final, that is 5 rev per second, and that will give us that will be 5, and here outside we're going to have 4. So 4 seconds by 5 rev, we're going to have 20 revs. So that is in the first place. So we can also use this one and say, what is the angular acceleration? This part, angular acceleration is going to be 5 rev per second divided by time, 8 seconds. Okay, so we can place that there. So angular question is going to be, here we have a 0, okay, and then we have a half 5 rev per second over 8 times time, which is 8 squared, like that. So what we have? So we have 8 squared, that is 64, and then we multiply by 5 by 8, then we multiply by a half, that will give us 20 rev as well, so which is the same as that. So you can use either this way or the other way. Okay, so I've shown you both. So after this, we are told again to say this laundry, the person who is doing laundry, he switches off the washer, okay, switches off, and this slows down in 12 seconds. Okay, so we know again here to say we have half times 12 seconds, and then this is going to rest, meaning the final is going to be 0, and the initial is going to be what? The initial speed is going to be this one, which it has reached the 5 rev per second. So we have 5 rev per second plus 0, because it's going to rest. So what we're going to have is, we're going to have something like, here outside we're going to have 6 seconds multiplying by 5, we're going to have 30 revolutions. So you can use also this method as well. You're going to have 30. So now the total revs total is going to be 30 rev plus 20 revs, which is going to be 50 revolutions. So that's how you find that one. It's pretty simple. So you can use that or that other method. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.